So today I'm making my mum's famous chocolate cake. It's a simple chocolate sponge cake with the most amazing chocolate icing on it. And this is the cake that comes out that is made for every birthday in our house, and we all absolutely love it. It's an all-in-one method, so it's so easy. So let's give it a go.
170 grams of self-raising flour, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 170 grams of caster sugar, 170 grams of soft margarine, 3 large eggs, 60 grams of butter, 120 grams of dark chocolate, 1 egg, 200 grams of icing sugar approximately.
Okay, so the first thing we need to do is preheat the oven to 170 degrees. Next, I'm going to put all of my ingredients into the same bowl. It's all in one method, so everything is going in here together.
First, add the flour, the cocoa powder and the baking powder and sieve these into the bowl. Next, add the sugar, the margarine and the eggs and mix all ingredients together.
These are the 2 tins I've prepared for my cake. I like to do a 2-tier cake, so I'm going to make 2 cakes and sandwich icing between them. Alternatively, you can just use one rectangular dish or whatever you have and make it one layer, whatever, it's up to you. These tins are 18 centimetres in diameter, that's 7 inches each. So I'm just going to split the mixture in half and pop them into these 2 tins. Okay, so I flattened them out. I haven't put the mixture right up to the edge of the tin because it will expand in the oven. So I'm going to pop the 2 of these into the oven for 25 minutes. Okay, it's been 25 minutes. I'm going to see if the cakes are ready. Ooh. They have risen nicely. Just going to stick this in to check that they're cooked through. If it comes out clean, then that means the cakes are done. Okay, so they have been cooling for about a minute. I've got a knife here. I'm just going to put the knife all the way around the edges to loosen it.
Use a wire rack tray or plate to flip the cakes over and take them out of their tins. Peel off the parchment. Cakes should feel spongy.
Okay, so the cakes are cooled after I left them for an hour. It's now time to make the chocolate icing. First thing we do is melt the chocolate and butter over a low heat.
Remove from the wire rack tray, keeping the groove side facing down.
Okay, so the butter and chocolate has melted. I'm going to remove it from the heat and let it cool for a couple of minutes. Next, I'm going to crack an egg into this cup and then beat the egg with a fork.
Add the egg and give it a good stir. Next, add the icing sugar, a little bit at a time. The texture will look lumpy at first, but it will smoothen out. Look at this gorgeous glossy texture. Pour about half of the mixture on the first tier, spreading it out evenly. Next, put the second sponge on top and pour the rest of the icing over it, spreading it out and letting some of it pour down the sides.
And now for my favourite part, the taste test. It's delicious. So guys, I nearly got gross eating the cake. Give it a go this week, make the cake, or the next time you have a birthday coming up, special occasion in the house, give it a go. Enjoy!